2020, the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad operated steam-powered Rotary OY for the first time in 23 years in order to clear the line from Chama, New Mexico to the summit of 10,015-foot Cumbres Pass in southern Colorado. Snowstorm in the San Juans, Volume 2 chronicles this two-day event with footage from the air, onboard the train, and of course trackside, including a few locations accessible only by snowshoe. In addition to spectacular scenes of the Rotary in action, you'll see the early departure on the second morning as the train headed from Chama to the Colorado state line where plowing had stopped the day before. Deeper snow was encountered on this day as the Rotary finally reached the summit of Cumbres Pass. Snowstorm in the San Juans, Volume 2, Rotary Run on the Cumbres Toltec. Available on DVD and Blu-ray at SteamTrainVideos.com.